You know, you're pretty scared to walk anywhere. Look up, look around, touch people. Okay, and when I say freeze, I want you to freeze. And don't move a muscle, okay? And freeze. And action. Okay. The problem is, Timothy, you had your back to the computer, and you turned around and knew it was there. That's it. Okay, get ready. Get ready to freeze. And freeze. React. Okay, Stuart, walk up to the computer. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Look at it, just look it over, check it out, kind of look under it. Okay, everybody kind of gather around it, Okay, alright now, alright, freeze. Okay, get ready to freeze. And, well, not yet, and freeze. Unfreeze. Wow. Okay, somebody walk and say, oh, wait, there's a message there. Kind of bend down. Look at the monitor on the computer. That's it. Everybody come around. Look at it.